In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to show or hide the PCB grid and how to adjust grid space in EasyEDA Pro. When working on PCB layout and routing, the grid is a very important reference element. It not only helps us align components precisely, but also keep our chassis neat and well organized. Let's first take a look at how to show or hide the grid. Open the PCB editor, and in the top menu bar, find the grid style option. Click it, and you can quickly switch the grid display mode. There are three modes available. Dots displays the grid as small points. Lines displays the grid as lines. None hides the grid completely. If you prefer a clean workspace, you can temporarily hide the grid, and when you need precise component alignment, simply turn it back on. Switching between these modes is very convenient. Next, let's see how to make the PCB grid border. Click the Setting button in the top menu. Then in the pop-up window, go to PCB Footprint General. On the right, find the option called Board Multiple. After setting the desired value, click Apply and Confirm, and your grid style and boldness will take effect immediately. To summarize, showing or hiding the grid allows you to switch between different views during various design stages. Adjusting the board multiple helps you align and route more accurately, making your PCB design process cleaner and more efficient. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Now you know how to show, hide, and adjust the PCB grid in EasyEDA Pro. See you in the next class.